Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the straps on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To take off the current straps on your watch, flip it over so you're looking at the base. Use your nail to push into the release button below the strap. While you have it pressed down, you can slide the strap off. Repeat the same for the other strap. To put in a strap, flip the watch over so you're looking at the base. On the strap, make the silver magnet part face up and then slide it into the watch. It will click into place and secure it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.